Hello, I'm Duncan Warnock from Warnock Accounting. Today I'm going to show you a short video on how to run a pay run for an employee using Intuit QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Let's assume we're already logged into Intuit QuickBooks Online and we need to now navigate to the payroll section. Let's do this by clicking on the employee's left-hand menu. The employee screen is now displayed in QuickBooks and defaults to the Employees tab. And it shows current active employees, and in this case it's Heathrow. Alright, now we need to run a pay run. We know Heath's hours for the week. He's on a weekly payroll. So let's begin. We're going to navigate now to the top right hand corner and click New Pay Run. In this case we need to run a pay run for the week ending Sunday, October 14, and we intend to pay it on October 18. If we do need to change the dates, just click on the right and change the dates as needed. Likewise, if the pay schedule is not weekly, change it to the relevant time period. Click Create. We now have default details for the pay run. Heathrow has been set up in a way that his default hours per week are 20 hours, and so if he continues to work 20 hours every week, the pay run is pretty much ready to go. Should Heath work less or more hours than 20, we need to manually change the hours. If Heath was a permanent employee, whether it's part-time or full-time, and he's had annual leave or sick leave, otherwise known as personal leave, we would also need to ensure that that leave was recorded prior to completing the pay run. He's a casual, so he has had no leave either, so no need to worry about this in this example. We do need to change his hours. Let's just click on the row for Heath. We can see he's set up for casual ordinary hours. We know that he's only worked 18 hours for the last week. We're comfortable that $28 per hour is his rate, so no need to change that. And to save this amendment, we need to click the Save button. This will update the draft details for the pay run. We now see total hours equals 18. We now see the tax withheld from the pay will be $37. We see that his pay is of a sufficient amount to meet the super guarantee requirements, and his super here is $47.88, and the net pay that he needs to be paid physically is $467. Now we're all comfortable. Always good practice when you're running payroll, check 3 times, just make sure you get it right. Now we're very happy. Let's click Finalize Pay Run. We're happy to make the payslip available to employees now. In this case, we're happy not to send a notification. We're actually going to print out the payslip and hand deliver it to Heath. Let's click Finalize. This just takes a few seconds to complete. And we now see the pay run has been completed. If for whatever reason we know that we've made a mistake, we can click on the Pay Run Actions button and click Unlock and fix what needs to be done. We can view the payslips or send payslips from these buttons here. In terms of the Send Payslips button, you just need to be careful that you're not sending multiple payslips for different employees. to the same person. Okay, let's close this screen now. We're going to find the payslip through a different navigation method. We're going to click on Employee Heathrow. We're going to navigate down to Payslips for him. It's just under Employee Management on the left-hand side. Let's click Payslips. The pay run that we've just completed is for the week ending 18th of October. We can see it here. We can click on email here, assuming that we've set up the correct email address. Or we can download the payslip. We'll open it up. And here you go, we've got Heathrow. We've got 18 hours at a rate of $28 and all the relevant information such as tax withheld, super payable, etc. So if we're happy with the payslip, it's all ready to go. We can send it on to the employee as needed. All right, that's about it for now. Just remember with payroll, when you think you've got it right, just check one more time. Very important to get it right. Thanks for listening. Thank you.